Hey guys, here is a video of my AC collection. So I have 5 ACs. And this one over here belongs to my sister, which I will get to after this AC unit. So I'm going to start off with this AC unit right here that I've ever bought. And it works and all that. This is a Sharp Comfort Touch 8500 BTU window AC unit. This AC unit was manufactured, made and designed by the Sharp Company in 1997. It doesn't make any beeping noises. It makes those clicking sounds when I press these buttons and use this AC unit every single summer. So, this AC unit comes with these original side curtains. This one right here, which goes to that, is like broke. But unless I tape it like this, or try to glue it like this shut or something, but I don't know what to do with this. I don't know what to do with this side curtain right here. It comes with 2 side curtains on either side. So it comes with 2 original side curtains on both sides of this AC unit. It is a 8500 BTU window air conditioner. By summer of 2018, this AC unit, summer 2018, this AC unit was in the window in the guest bedroom. Summer 2018, which is almost going to be 2 summers ago, it was in the guest bedroom window last summer. It was in the guest bedroom window almost 2 summers ago. And almost last summer, this AC unit was in the window in my bedroom. And I did use it on some of the days that get hot at night. Just like southern states, including Florida, usually get every single summer and all that. It comes with the original adjustable vent. This vent goes down like this whenever you do that. Or maybe does it like that. And these louvers do not oscillate on this window air conditioner. And over here are the controls. This is complicated. Not simple as levers and knobs. This is the on-off button to turn the AC on and off. This is the selector button if you want to change the speeds of the cooling or put it to fan, which has high cool, medium, low, fan only, which can be used on a medium speed fan. And these are the buttons. And these are the up and down arrow buttons. That's the button for the temperature to go down. This is the temperature to go up from 64 to 86 degrees. And here's your temp button. It has a timer. And it has energy saver as it counts as the thermostat of the display. Because if you use this on energy saver, and once a certain temperature gets down, the motor inside the back of the AC unit, where the blower and the fan are both connected on both sides of the motor, automatically shuts off. And the display, and then the button that you have in cooling, and these buttons right here stay on. And then and then once the temperature rises up, this AC unit on energy saving mode comes back on every single summer. I only use it in the summer, and that's it. So, and what I bought to install next to the window in the sunroom, which we are doing and working on right now, this single outlet, rated for refrigerators and ACs. And by next summer, this Sharp Comfort Touch 8500 BTU window air conditioner unit is going to be in the window in the... I'll make sure I don't misspeak. By next summer, also known as the upcoming summer, this Sharp Comfort Touch 8500 BTU window AC unit is going to be in the window in the sunroom next summer, which we are doing and working on right now. And next summer, this plug is going to be plugged in here like, let me set this down. It's going to plug in here like that in the sunroom next summer, which we are doing and working on right now. But I'm just going to go ahead and put the original plug back. And I only use this in the summer, so that's all there is to say. Next AC right here, which belongs to my sister, is a Frigidaire 5000 BTU window AC unit. This one, no wait, almost forgot. This AC unit, this old AC unit that I've wanted to keep forever because I know it works great, just like it used to. It comes with this filter right here. Just make sure you rinse it off and clean it for a new and this one that I've already cleaned almost 2 summers ago. So that's all there is to say. So I'm going to put the filter back on that AC unit. That old one I love. Now the next AC. This right here. This one right here is a Frigidaire 5000 BTU window AC unit. This AC unit is not mine. This one, it looks like mine, but this one's my sister's. But she can take it when she moves. But when she moves to Florida, this air conditioner unit is not going with her. So, go ahead and move that. It comes with these side curtains right here. Didn't mean to do that. This AC unit comes with 2 original side curtains. On the back of the AC unit, I gotta go ahead and turn the flashlight on. That's the fan. And as you look inside there, that's the blower. So, this is the temperature knob. That's max cool. If you get it down to 1, for this to be on fan. And it has the mode selecting knob, which does high fan, high cool, low fan, and off. And this one's an Electrolux made 5000 BTU window unit, 1 out of 2. So that's all there is. Next AC unit right there. Next one right there is a Frigidaire 8000 BTU window AC unit. It has these vents, which are adjustable. The back is the fan. The front is the blower. And it comes with these original side curtains that I can spread out when I put this AC unit in the window every single summer or around summer every year. So that's all there is. And it comes with this. It comes with this filter right here. Just make sure you rinse it off. Clean, and make sure it's cleaned for a new, year. For a new summer, or something like that. This one comes with, this AC right there, comes with a filter that slides. Baloney out, like, oh dear. That was a close one. Comes out like that. Go ahead and pause the video. This one's a 1 out of 2. And that's my sister's, for real. Now on to this AC unit right there. On to this AC unit right there. This one's a Frigidaire 5000. This one's a Frigidaire 5000 BTU window AC unit. 2 out of 2. So about 2 summers ago, this was in the window in my bedroom. And last summer, which is almost... And that summer, which is almost last summer, this was in the window in the... This was in the window in the kitchen area next to a kitchen sink. So here's this. These are adjustable things. These vents right here are not adjustable. Comes with this filter. Back is fan, front is the blower. This one has the setting max cool to 1. And this one has the control to turn the AC unit on and off. So about almost 3 summers ago, I bought this one and that one, brand new from Lowe's for like $100 something. And which was like almost 3 summers ago. Oh my god. So that's all there is. And almost 2 summers ago, I bought this one used and from a flea market place for $5 and cleaned it. So that way it blows out ice cold air again, just like it used to. And it does blow out ice cold. And it has done a good job blowing out ice cold air again, just like it used to. And this AC unit right there, this old AC unit, does a really great job blowing out ice cold air, just like it used to, back when it was first brand new too. And that summer, which is last summer that is now over, I've got this AC unit, the Frigidaire 8000 BTU window AC unit, and that AC unit right there, because both of these units were gotten by my aunt, And she said that I could have both of them. Because I know a lot about ACs and all that. Which is window ACs, portable ACs, split ductless ACs / heating, and obviously central air. Which I do not have. Because there's no central air here. But Miss Nancy's house in Florida has central air. And she does use it year-round years. My Aunt Angelique's house in Victorville, California has central air. And she uses it year-round. And she does use it. So that's all there is. And finally, the last AC there is. I'm going to go ahead and turn the light on so I can get a better look at the AC. Go ahead and move that up. Set it there. The last AC unit there is. This is a higher 5,000 BTU window AC unit. This AC unit has one original side curtain left. Has both duct tapes, they put it on there. But tried spreading it out like this, but unfortunately this was about to come out, so I would leave it like this. And then, but it was spread out like that. And then I had to use both of these side curtains made out of cardboard boxes while this was in the window in the guest bedroom, which is like right over there. And this was in the window in the... I'll make sure I don't misspeak. So, this was in the window right over there in the guest bedroom that summer, which is almost last summer, that is now over. And all that. And I had to use these. And I had to use these side curtains made out of cardboard box after putting this in the window in the guest bedroom that summer, which is almost last summer, that is now over. Which I could finally tell. Yes. Which I could finally tell. So, right over there, on the front, that's the blower. On the back, that's the fan. And then, go ahead and get these stuff out of the way. And for the most part, it comes with this filter. Comes with these, but this is stuck. This one's not that stuck, but and then this, and these are the buttons and the digital display, which is complicated, not as simple as levers and knobs. And this is a 5,000 BTU window unit. This is the button to turn the AC on and off. These are the temperature and timer things, which this one goes up, that one goes down, that one's the filter is set. There, and that's the mode where it has fan, cool, energy save, and dehumid. And this is the button this is the button that you can press to change the speeds on the AC unit. This has a timer that has on, off, sleep, and completely off and all that. So, before I end the video, I'm going to explain and see what's going to be in the window in different rooms next summer, and something like that. And we'll check and see, and we'll see how this goes. So by next summer, the Sharp Comfort Touch 8500 BTU window AC unit, So by next summer, the Sharp Comfort Touch 8500 BTU window AC unit right there is going to be in the window in the sunroom, which we are doing and working on right now. And by next summer, this higher 5000 BTU window air conditioning unit is going to be in the window in the kitchen area next summer, also known as the upcoming summer. And next summer, also known as the upcoming summer, this Frigidaire 5000 BTU window AC unit is going to be back in the window in my bedroom. And next summer, this Frigidaire 5000 BTU window AC unit, 2 out of 2, is going to be in the window in my sister's room again. And next summer, this Frigidaire 8000 BTU window unit is going to be in the window in the master bedroom again next summer. So that is it on the AC collection. So comment, rate, and subscribe, and turn on my push notifications. And I am glad this old AC unit works great like a pro, just like it used to. So that's all there is to say. So comment, rate, and subscribe, and turn on my push notifications. Thank you for watching.